Hello guys, welcome to Psychology of Freedom. So this time, magta-type muna tayo. Ita-type natin yung alamat. We'll start with Taneo. Napili ko tong grupo na to kasi I think, as an NF, predominantly NF tong grupo na to, intuitive feeler, mga idealist sila. Pero i-verify pa natin yan through typing. But that is my impression. And pinili ko din sila kasi magandang mapakita dito how the golden pair works, the silver pair, platinum pair, benefactor pair. Kasi nga, meron sila nito sa grupo nila. Highly compatible sila. From 1 to 16, among the 16 types, meron sa kanila. So, ayan. Let's start with Tadeo. Paano natin ulit ita-types sila? We'll use the cognitive function. Ano ba yung cognitive functions nila? FITE ba, user ba sila? Or TIFE, SINE, or NISE? Interaction style naman, direct ba sila or informative? Responding or initiating, movement versus control. Yung temperament niya naman, abstract ba siya or concrete, affiliative or pragmatic, systematic or interest-based. And then, after that, ina-narrow down natin into just one. So, ayan, that's the process. Let's start with this video.
It's a fun process. It's like champurrado. I remember like champurrado. He came in eating champurrado in my room, and then
He came in doing this, he eating chaporado, that's extroverted sensing, what other people are doing.
we're playing with some pattern, like beat patterns. And then he just said, and then I made like a melody, and then dinugtungan niya, tapos dinugtungan ko rin. Parang
It seems like movement type siya kasi sabi niya it's a fun process. Focus siya sa process instead of the outcome, 'di ba? Kasi ganun yung mga control type, 'di ba?
we're not a fan of like pre-planning songs. Like, are we vibing at the same vibe? All right, let's make a song about it. It's that.
Sabi niya we're not fan of pre-planning songs. That sounds interest-based to me kasi nga sabi niya are we vibing? More on spontaneous. Kasi pag mga systematic na type, meron silang formula, meron silang step-by-step process, meron silang sistema. Unlike sa mga interest-based na wala silang parang rigid na formula. So, interest-based.
That type thing. If we have to plan it, the the art kind of loses its essence. I don't know
The art loses its essence, abstract.
how to explain it, but he can understand what I'm saying. He can probably explain it well too, or maybe not. We're both bad at explaining things when in our heads. That's when Zhao comes in. But like, yeah, I'll probably post like the hook soon.
I'll do this, I'll do that, introverted intuition.
I just have to adjust like it's gonna. I'm making like a recovery vlog kasi. Hold on. You guys, I'll post it naman. I'll post it. I'll just
I'll post it, introverted intuition, what I will do in the future.
ano, baka kasi it's a difficult thing. It might be disturbing to some people.
It might be disturbing to some people, not wanting to make other people uncomfortable. That's extroverted sensing.
But yeah, we're trying to get locked in at like
This is what we're doing, extroverted sensing, shared experience.
for our next release. Like even better than Gayu. When I heal, I'm gonna set new fitness goals even better than Gayuma.
This is what I will do, introverted intuition.
Basta. Yeah, of course I know it's Ethan's birthday mamaya.
Kind of responding. Kasi merong parang panibagong topic, nag-respond lang siya doon. Hindi siya nag-initiate.
So I really want to finish this. I really want to finish this. It's just I guess
Sabi niya, I really wanna finish this. 'Di ba alam na natin yung interaction style niya, responding movement, and he seems direct. Ang mga direct responding movement kasi ang tawag sa kanila finisher type. Ang mga finisher type, they have a hard time starting things pero they are obsessed with finishing things.
So addicted. You know, when I try to finish the song, it's sort of like when I'm doing a
And
song,
he's so movement.
I don't even hindi ko namamalayan na 5 a.m. na pala, 6 a.m. na pala. Tapos it messes up my sleep schedule. But
Mukhang mataas yung introverted intuition niya. That's my impression of him. And ang mga high NI users, laser focus yan sila once they get into something na they are passionate about. They get laser focus and hindi na nila namamalayan yung mga nangyayari sa paligid nila. So that's how NI works.
I'm trying to stay healthy. Pero like, yun nga, we can't, because, oh, hi Lois, I heard you're a friend of a friend.
That's an initiation.
Crazy. Small world, small world. Here's another song. I made this like last year. I gotta make a clean version. Minsan kasi when I record, I don't like filtering.
I need to make a clean version. Affiliative, doing what's proper.
You just talk your talk.
Check pa tayo ng iba pang interview.
Paano tayo mag-grow?
Pag hardships, you go through it together, you form ano talaga. Kaya I love Alamat, guys.
You go through hardships together, extroverted sensing, shared experience ulit.
Me too.
I love my group. Pansinin mo ko? Hi, Pauline. Pansinin natin siya.
Hello.
Nag-respond lang silang dalawa, pareho sila ni Mo. So I think Mo is also an introverted, intuitive feeler. Pero let's see.
Hindi, pero ayun nga, yung pag-grow natin kasi ano eh, ang dami din kasi
Obstacles na nadaanan.
sobrang, kapag magkakasama kami, sobrang dami namin.
Kinakwento.
Oo, ang dami namin
Plano.
bala. Ay, grabe. Iba talaga kapag same kayo ng mga kasama mo, ano,
Go.
same kayo ng goal.
Yung maganda sa atin, iba-iba yung ano natin, pero same tayo ng goal. Yun yung maganda kasi you grow through diversity.
Mismo.
Para sa akin. Para sa akin.
You grow through diversity, abstract concept.
Kasi yung mama ko, at that time, hindi wala pa siya sa lunch break niya. So 11 a.m. pa lang doon. 12 p.m. yung lunch break niya. Tapos yun,
Again, extroverted sensing.
live ako with them. Pero plano sana namin mag-Twitter space.
Oo. Parang yung pinag-uusapan namin nun, pwede na pang podcast eh.
Kaya nga, actually, good talk yun. Guys, pwede ko sabihin yung gift mo.
Yun lang.
Ay, na-post mo na.
Nagtanong siya, pwede kong sabihin yung gift mo, affiliative. Mga affiliative people, gusto nilang mag-ask ng permission palagi kasi ayaw nilang maka-offend. They want to be proper. Whereas pag pragmatic ka, di ka na mag-ask ng permission, you just do it, di ba?
He got a gift, guys. A Mac. You
Yeah.
know what that means? Producer. Fish. And nagde-design si, si Mo.
Yun ang yung nakatupag ko kanina, nag-search ako, gano'n, nag-YouTube.
Ay, kaganina?
Sabi niya, nagde-design si Mo, extroverted sensing, all about the experiences of other people, not his own experience.
Oh,
Sheesh.
kaya mula pag-gising.
Ay, dapat sumama ka
Pero parang si Mo yung introverted sensor.
sa punta ko DIY. Ang daming
Dapat ganito ginawa mo eh. That's direct.
mga cool stuff pala din.
Oh, mga
Like,
pang-design ng room. Ganun.
Bumili ako actually ng alam mo yung mga, hindi ko yung parang positive.
Nagmura siya, pero parang hindi niya pinarinig. So, that's affiliative pa din.
Positive, yung mga positives. Positive goals. Para pagkagising ko, makikita ko lang yun.
No, tapos maano ka na, ma-motivate ka na.
Positivity lang. Maintain lang natin positivity. Kasi importante yan, guys, in an environment.
Yeah.
Importante daw ang positivity sa environment, abstract.
So, syempre, pagod ka minsan, pero you have that, you have your anchor. Anchor.
For sure, abstract. So far, he's giving me an INFJ vibe. Pero let's verify pa dun sa last video. Kasi wala pa tayong tick dito sa judgment functions niya eh. So,
Sa alamat naman, kayo, paano kayo mag-cope sa problema? Sino mahilig kumain pag may problema?
I love eating.
Ay!
I-add ko na rin sa sinabi ni Kuya Kael about sa sarili kasi I don't think we've mentioned, when we're mentioning love, I don't think we've mentioned it in a sense na to our internally. How we cope with the hardships in the industry. Since Gupit, it relates to heartbreak, how we cope with that, something like that. We have to not forget the love we have for ourselves, especially when we're loving someone else, because at the end of the day, the first relationship we have is with ourselves. So,
very abstract and movement
how we are externally is
and introverted thinking. TI user siya, he's a thinker.
a reflection of our relationship
Kasi dito niya sinasabi, this is what I think, this is what I think. So, TI.
with ourselves. So for me, very important na tignan ko yung relationship ko sa sarili ko. This is also a reminder to love yourself.
Yeah.
Make sure to love every inch of you. And
Love yourself, FE, caring about other people, being affiliative, being a people person.
Ganda na.
yun.
Yan, galing. Palakpakan naman.
Convinced na ako sa personality type niya. So, cognitive function wise, TIFE, NISE. So, sino-sino tong mga merong cognitive functions na to? Either ISTP, ESTP, INFJ, or ENFJ. So, let's see. Interaction style niya naman, direct responding movement. So, finisher type siya, introverted. Direct responding movement yan. Dito yan sa third row. So, eliminated na yung ibang types. And sabi natin, NFJ, STP, quadra lang siya. So, tanggal na yung ISTJ, tanggal na yung INTJ. He can only be either ISTP or INFJ. Pero sabi natin, abstract and affiliative siya, di ba? So, tanggal na yung ISTP. So, Taneo can only be an INFJ, also known as the sage. So, isa sa mga rarest actually, personality type kasi less than 1% sila sa population. And sabi before, ang INFJ daw si Justin ng SB19 kasi nag-take daw siya ng personality test online. Again, ang mga personality tests online are not that accurate kasi self-report siya. Ibig sabihin, very subjective. It is limited by how you think or how you perceive yourself. Pero meron kasi tayong mga blind spots, something that we don't see in ourselves that other people can see. So, highly subjective and inaccurate yung mga tests online. So, si Justin, he is actually an INTP. So, hindi sila the same, di ba? They're not actually the same. Pero, same sila na introverted. And then, ang mas same pa kay Taneo is si Josh Cullen ng SB19. Kasi si Josh Cullen is an ENFJ, extroverted version ni Taneo. So, ayan. Sino ba mga ka-personality type niya? Si Ed Sheeran, si Dua Lipa, si Zayn Malik, si Andrew Garfield, sino pa ba? Si Mike Shinoda ng Linkin Park, yung rapper nila. Actually, yung Linkin Park, NF din na grupo yun eh. Kasi si Mike Shinoda, yung rapper nila is an INFJ. Yung vocalist nila, si Chester Bennington, is an ENFP. I think meron ding ENFP sa Alamat. So, we'll find out next time. Sa Pilipinas naman, sino naman mga ka-personality type niya? Si Ron Henley, si Sam Milby, si Piolo Pascual, and si Lucy Torres. So, yan. Si Taneo is an INFJ. Next time, we're going to see yung personality pa ng ibang members and then yung compatibility nila with each other. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Sana may napulot kayo.